This will be the second part video of the Revit plugin. In this video, I'll be showing us how to prepare quantity takeoff using the ADLM plugin with structural works. Now, in this model, we have a structural model being open. This is a structural model where we have the footing details, the foundation details. For this is a pad and strip foundation, see the footing, column-based footing and the strip footing. All of that is there. So we'll select all of the column base. From the plugin, they will select, it shows all the dimensions. You can just add our depth and the thickness of the column base, which automatically generates all of these quantities. Then you put your reinforcement spacing, the size of reinforcement bars, and to give you the quantity for your reinforcement bars immediately, which you can now export to Excel and save in your file location. Now, you can also go for the items of work. We have our footing here also, so you can select all the footings to check if the entire footings are in the model here. Now, once this is there, we can now measure for our footing, which is usually based on the walls. But before that, we'll check for the column base. Column base in substructure also. We just select our level. You see, once you click on that column box here, it shows you all the levels. So you select the level, put the number of reinforcement bars, the spacing among the reinforcement bars, you put the size and the extra over. So that calculates for those concrete reinforcements for your column. Same goes for block work also. Select all the block work in foundation. With this, you can quickly measure for the footing because it has given you the guards and all of that. So it gives you all of the quantities for excavation, surface treatment, earthwork support, and every item of work will all be measured out for you like that. It's very easy. All you have to do is just click the button, export to Excel. You can save as your Excel file also. Now we have the slab also, which is a ground floor slab. You can also measure for that using the off-site concrete slab. This will give you the entire quantities of the area. You just put the thickness of your filling, the thickness of the slab, which is from your model there, then the blinding thickness also. Once you calculate it, gives you the quantities. You can export to Excel and save as an Excel file. Now same goes for beams also. Now for beams, this is quite different. We have to go to the floor level where we have the beams, and we select all of the beams that we want to measure for. We click on the beam tool, we calculate for the concrete formwork. We put the top bar, the mid bar, and the bottom bar. We put the size of the reinforcement bars, the spacing, and between the links, and it gives you the entire quantity of reinforcement also, which you can save in an Excel format also. Now also, you can just select for the slab in the model. Once you from the plugin there, you just calculate for the slabs, it gives you the concrete reinforcement and formwork for slab automatically like that. That is those are the things that you get with the ADLM Revit plugin. You get yours today.